Hai, hai.
Halo.
Hai,
Kita
hai.
sambil nunggu yang lain cicat dulu ya.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good.
Fine, I'm good.
I'm
Good
good.
evening, guys.
I'm doing good.
How are you guys?
Yeah, I hope you are well.
I'm doing well. Thank
Okay.
you. Oke, ini yang lain belum pada kumpul. Kita tunggu dulu bentar ya.
Aduh.
2 minutes.
Oh.
Hari ini kita topiknya tentang past tense. Ya. Oke.
Yang lalu.
Ya, past tense. Past tense itu tenses untuk apa sih? Ada yang tahu nggak? Biasanya dia penggunaannya untuk apa tuh kalau past tense?
Masa lalu.
Masa lalu.
Ya, untuk menceritakan kegiatan yang terjadi di waktu yang sudah lalu.
Tapi pakai time ya sis kalau nggak salah ya.
Biasanya ada time signalnya. Biasanya ada time
ada.
signalnya. Oke, let's start. Oke, nah ini dia. Jadi kita ada cica topics dulu ya. Coba dilihat nih, guys, pertanyaan-pertanyaannya.
What did you do last week?
Ya, what did you do last week artinya apa yang kamu lakukan minggu lalu. Minggu lalu kalian ngapain aja? Kemudian, when did you come to office today? Kapan kamu berangkat ke kantor tadi? Ya, hari ini tadi kamu berangkat ke kantornya kapan? Walaupun di sini dia pakai today, tapi kan berangkat ke kantornya udah lewat ya. Jadi tetap pakai did ya.
Last weekend.
Kemudian, why did you join this lesson? Nah, kenapa teman-teman join lesson ini?
Right?
Jadi ada 3 pertanyaan ya. Kita langsung mulai aja kali ya, cicat topiknya. Oke, ayo angkat tangan semuanya. Yang mau join, you can raise your hand. I'm going to start with Bro Surya. Duh, Bro Surya ini rajin banget loh. Alright. So, Bro Surya, what did you do last week?
Last week?
Last week, what did you do? What?
To my office.
Oh, you went to your office. Cuma ke kantor doang. Did you do any kind of activity? Probably for the weekend?
Oh, for the weekend. For the weekend, I go to some place with my student. We visit my old school in the jungle.
Okay. Nice. So you have a apa namanya ya? Field trip? Bukan. It's not a field trip? It's kind of field trip ya. Okay. And then when did you come to office today? Kira-kira tadi kok ke kantor jam berapa? Berarti ke sekolah ya, ke kampus ya? When did you come to your office today? Jamnya.
Yeah, I come to my office today at 9 o'clock.
Oh, so you came to your office at 9 a.m. 9 o'clock. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
And why did you join this lesson?
Why? Because you.
Stop it! You, oh my God.
Yes, because
very nice.
Can you give me the proper
good answer.
There is something special. Yeah, Bro Surya. There is something special.
Tasya, welcome to the jungle.
Bener-bener buaya darat ini, serius deh. Untung aku udah biasa.
Dia bukan buaya darat sih, dia buaya gunung.
Buaya gunung, oh my God. Jadi apa nih advantages-nya? What is your purpose?
Because you
sama Bro Ikram juga
our
gitu
lesson
sih.
very good.
Capek banget gue, serah deh. Bener nggak sih yang serius dong?
Yes, that is true.
Okay, nice.
I mean,
Okay, thank you. Nih, aduh laki-laki Buaya nih
bahaya,
bener-bener nih. Oke ya.
Salah orang kan, sis?
Salah orang
kan?
nih, aduh,
Salah
gimana
orang.
dong guys? Bahaya loh Bro Surya. Oke, thank you by the way. Now we're moving on to Sister Rohani.
Yes, Anda.
Okay, sister, what did you do last week?
Last week,
Mm-hmm.
I combined my sister.
Oh, you accompany.
Yeah,
You
company.
accompanied
I
your
company
sister.
my sister.
Okay. For doing what?
To
To
to mengantar apa tuh laundry ya mengantar.
To go to the laundry.
Iya. Laundry
Bisa
to
juga
customer.
apa ya?
To pick up the
To pick,
laundry.
ya.
No,
No,
not to
bukan
pick
pick,
up.
bukan pick.
No,
Drop it.
drop.
Oh, you drop.
Drop
Okay,
drop to laundry the
drop
customer.
her to the laundry.
To customer.
Dropped her. Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Drop it and bring.
And why did you belum ya, pertanyaan kedua dulu. When did you come to office today?
Office 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. And why did you join this lesson?
This lesson I'm joined to, but
To improve your English.
She
Yeah,
is the skipper, sis. She is the skipper, captain.
Oh iya. I memorize you.
I want to speak, learn speak English anytime to speak every day to
to
many
be able
people.
to speak English every day.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, nice, very good. Thank you, sister.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Yes,
so
yes.
let's move on to the last one. We have Sister Laili. All right, what did you do last week, sis?
I made an even makeup class with my partnership in my business.
Okay, nice. And when did you come to your office today?
I come to my office for about
12 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Wow, lumayan quite early, yeah. And why did you join this lesson?
I just want to improve my English and practice my speaking every day with my partner.
Okay,
Great.
nice. That's nice. Yeah, this is what you're going to get. Yeah.
Very serious.
Okay, thank you ya, Sister Laili. Oke, so kita langsung lanjut aja ke lesson time-nya. Karena kita agak lumayan, nanti kita ada praktis juga soalnya habis ini praktis grammar ya. Jadi kita langsung lanjut dulu aja. Oke, jadi ini dia tenses simple past itu yang kita biasa sebutnya simple past tense, itu adalah tenses yang digunakan untuk menceritakan fakta atau kejadian tapi terjadinya di masa lampau gitu ya. Misalnya aku tadi minum kopi. Aku minum kopinya sih, kopi aku kebetulan baru habis 3 menit yang lalu. Walaupun masih di waktu sekarang, tapi karena udah habis di 3 menit yang lalu, berarti aku minum kopinya udah 3 menit yang lalu kan. Berarti itu udah pas ya. Even 1 menit aja itu tetap udah pas ya. Udah lewat, intinya udah lewat ya. Dan kejadian itu sudah tidak terjadi lagi di waktu kamu berbicara. Oke, nah itu namanya past tense. Nah, kita jadi past tense ini sebenarnya.
Tirta.
Halo.
Tirta.
Iya, Bu.
Oke, ada yang sorry, aku mute ya. Bocor sepertinya mikrofonnya. Oke. Nah, jadi untuk simple past sebenarnya yang perlu diperhatikan itu hanya menggunakan verb 2. Jadi what you have to do is you only have to change your verb dari verb 1 ke verb 2. So this is what you are going to do. Oke, you're going to move on to the verb 2. Jadi kalian udah nggak bisa pakai verb 1 lagi ya. Kalau udah ngomongin yang past harus menggunakan verb 2. Untuk kalimat verbal. Ini kalimat verbal ya. Nah, ini adalah kalimat nominal. Ada yang tahu nggak bedanya apa sih kalimat verbal sama nominal? Coba.
Has to use the verb. Use
Iya,
the
kalau
verb. And
verbal
nominal
use verb.
is
Kalau nominal
adjective,
tidak
ya.
menggunakan verb tapi menggunakan to be
Adjective.
plus
To be
ana.
plus adjective.
Iya, ananya ini apa? Ananya ini ada 3 nih guys. Ada yang tahu nggak ana ini apa aja?
Adjective, nominal, and adverb.
Adjective,
Noun.
noun,
Adverb.
Noun,
Adverb.
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 Adverb. Alright.
Sifat, benda, sama keterangan ya.
Iya, kata sifat, kata benda, dan kata keterangan. Jadi kalau aku mau bilang aku dulunya tuh dokter. Aku dokter mungkin pada tahun berapa gitu. Sekarang udah enggak misalnya. Gitu. Nah, berarti kalau kalian kayak gitu, berarti itu kalimatnya nominal atau verbal?
Nominal.
Nominal, right? Karena kita tidak
Nominal.
melakukan pekerjaan ya. Kecuali aku
Nominal.
bilang kayak aku belajar, aku mandi, aku makan itu verbal ya, which is kita
Verbal.
melakukan sebuah pekerjaan. Oke? Dimana kita membutuhkan verb. Nah, itu perbedaannya. Jadi yang membedakan hanya di ininya aja ya, was were
Predicative.
plus ana ya. Kemudian verb to. Nah, kapan kita menggunakan was, kapan kita menggunakan were untuk kalimat nominal? Kalau pakai was
Ya.
untuk subjek apa, guys?
Itu si, I,
we,
she, his,
We
it.
know, apa lagi?
I was.
Maybe I.
she, he,
I.
Iya.
He was. He was.
Kalau yang
It's.
was itu baru pakainya ya.
Maybe I.
We.
They.
you, we, they.
They were.
They
We.
and
They were.
We.
We
oke,
were.
jadi untuk we, they sama you pakai were, kalau I, she, he, it pakai was. So I was a doctor. I was a police woman 2 years ago. Now I'm not a police woman anymore. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi untuk yang belakangnya atau komplementnya berupa ana, di mana kita tidak melakukan pekerjaan, maka harus menggunakan was were ya. Nah, kemudian itu kan hanya berlaku untuk kalimat positif ya guys. Kalau misalkan untuk kalimat positifnya verbal gimana contohnya? Misalnya, aku makan spaghetti carbonara kemarin. I ate spaghetti carbonara
Spaghetti carbonara.
Oke, jadi harus pakai verb 2 ya.
Verb 2. Verb 2.
Nah, tapi teman-teman yang perlu diketahui adalah kalau kalimat verbal, kalian menggunakan verb 2 itu hanya untuk kalimat positif aja. Ketika kalian membuat kalimat negatif, maka you are going to don't need this kind of
Is.
verb lagi.
Jadi,
Kalian udah nggak butuh verb 2 lagi guys. You're going to
Ya.
be back on verb 1. Ya. Kenapa kalian harus kembali ke verb 1? Karena kalian udah pakai did di sini. Did inilah yang akan mengindikasikan bahwa sebuah kalimat itu adalah kalimat past simple tense. Kalau dia pakai did. Jadi kalian kalau udah menggunakan did, jadi kalian udah nggak boleh lagi pakai verb 2, which is kalian harus kembali lagi ke verb 1. Ya, contoh.
saya tidak makan kemarin.
Apakah saya tidak makan
Kemarin.
Saya tidak makan tadi gitu.
Tadi.
2 jam saya tidak makan pagi misalnya.
I didn't know.
Kalau kemarin mati dong.
I didn't eat.
I did not eat.
I didn't eat.
I did not
Did
eat
not
my
eat.
breakfast.
Ya.
It's the last
Ya.
one.
Walaupun pakai this day, tapi karena breakfast sudah lewat ya, berarti itu sudah
Ya.
termasuk pas, nggak apa-apa.
Oke.
Oke. Nah, begitu juga dengan kalimat negatif ya teman-teman. Kalian nggak boleh pakai verb 2 lagi.
Interrogatif.
Karena kalian udah menggunakan did ya. Jadi kalau untuk kalimat negatif,
Ya.
didnya di depan ya. Did di depan.
Interrogatif,
kalian pakai
interrogatif.
subject. Iya, ini interrogatif.
Ya,
Hah?
oke.
Did you have
di
breakfast?
depan,
Did you
subjek baru
have
today?
breakfast?
did you
Did you have
Did
breakfast?
did you have breakfast atau did
Breakfast.
you eat your breakfast ya?
Did you
Yeah.
eat breakfast 2 hours ago?
Nah, kayak gitu. Did you eat your breakfast? Dan walaupun ini sudah malam, karena ini udah malam, jadi tetap kita harus pakai did ya. Nah, itu kalau kalimat verbal. Kalau kalimat nominal tadi seperti biasa yang aku jelasin ya, pakainya was were sama ana. Untuk kalimat positif, subjek, terus was were langsung ana. Kalau kalimat negatif apa? Gampang, tinggal kasih not
Was not.
ya. Berarti kalau misalkan tadi kan I was a doctor ya. Terus kalau misalkan enggak I was not a doctor.
It's not a
Tinggal kasih not. Kalau kalimat interrogatif gimana? Kalau interrogatif ya udah tinggal were sama was-nya dipindahin ke
Iya.
depan.
Ke depan.
Ya. Jadinya
Iya.
nanti was you a
Was you.
doctor?
Are
Yeah.
you? Are you?
Oh, were you a doctor?
Were you? Were
a
you? Were you?
Doctor. Nggak
Were you
boleh
a
pakai are
doctor?
lagi karena kan ngomongin yang lampau nih ceritanya. Jadinya
Were
were
you?
you a
Nggak tuh belum
doctor?
dilihat.
You a doctor?
Atau was she a doctor? Was she a doctor? Ya, jadi kayak gitu ya.
Yes. Was she a doctor? Yes.
Untuk membuat pertanyaan, ya,
Yes, she was.
5W1H tambah did tambah subjek, baru verb 1, ya. 5W1H-nya ini apa aja coba? What,
What? Who?
What?
Why?
Who? When?
Why? Where?
When?
why.
How?
5W1H-nya apa?
How?
How.
How?
Oh.
Ya,
Pinter.
misalnya kalian udah masak nih masakannya gitu ya, udah jadi nih masakannya. Terus kamu mau nanya, gimana tadi kamu bikinnya? Tapi kan udah lewat, ya kan? Proses pembuatannya kan udah lewat. Berarti gimana?
How did you make it?
How
Nah,
did
how
When
did
did?
you make
When
it?
did?
Jadi tetap
How
pakai
did
verb
you?
1 ya, karena udah pakai
Yeah.
did ya.
make?
How did you
How
make it?
did?
How did you make it?
you
How
make
did
Terus misalnya kayak where did you go last year? Where did you go on vacation last year? Kamu pergi kemana liburan tahun lalu gitu ya. Oke, jadi semua pertanyaannya
Yes.
mau itu bentuknya apa, mengapa, kenapa harus pakai did, terus baru subjeknya, baru kembali ke verb 1 ya. Nah,
Iya, mesti ulang-ulang supaya.
ya kayak gitu. Ini juga sama ya, ini sama. Jadi kalau misalnya untuk nominal
Jadi
dan
topik
ini
kuasain.
sama cara bikinnya ya.
Intensif begini.
Nah, sekarang kita ada tugas nih, ada latihan bukan tugas, latihan ya. Latihannya ini. Now read the sentence and complete with the correct verb tense. Kalian harus perhatikan time signalnya. Oke, sekarang aku mau jelasin dulu. Kalau misalkan verb to atau past tense itu time signalnya apa aja? Ada yang tahu nggak? Penciri ya, kalau kalimat itu harus menggunakan past tense atau verb 2. Apa aja biasanya time signalnya?
Nah, ya, oke, verbnya.
Yesterday.
Terus apa yang ada ago-agonya ya?
Yes,
Terus
yes, ago,
last week, last
last
month.
week,
ya.
last years, last month.
Apa lagi nih?
2 days ago.
Ya, ini yang ada
Yesterday,
ago-agonya
sudah ya.
tadi.
Go ya.
Oke,
Once.
nah, kayaknya iya aja sih ya.
Enough. Only 3.
Oke, kayaknya itu aja. Oke, nah jadi teman-teman kalau ada kayak gini-gini berarti udah pasti harus menggunakan
Past tense.
tense. 1 verb 2. Oke,
Dua.
berarti nomor 1 ini apa ini?
When?
When,
Choose and the cinema yesterday, but we
but
did.
we,
Where did?
Were it, were not see, were not see.
ini ada notnya. Berarti
We
kalau
didn't.
ini
We didn't see.
We didn't see.
No, we were. We
didn't
were,
see.
we didn't.
We didn't dong.
We didn't. Oke, karena ada kata
Ini
kerja ya.
notnya hanya mencirikan bahwa kalimatnya negatif maksudnya ya. Bukan berarti
Ya.
harus pakai were not.
We didn't not
did
see.
Oke, yang ini sekarang
we
gimana nih?
did not see.
I did not.
We are able to.
I'm not be able to go to outside now.
Pakai
I was
Nah,
not.
nice.
I am.
I
Pakai
was
am.
not.
I am not
Not able to.
able to
To get
Oh
go
no.
outside now
Go
because
outside.
it
It was rain.
Raining.
It was rain.
It
was
It
Raining.
It was
Oke, was
rain.
atau pakai kan
It is-
sekarang lagi rain
it
ini.
is. It
It's
is
raining.
Rain.
It's raining.
Oh, now, ya.
Sekarang lagi hujan kan? Lagi hujan.
Kan ceritanya dia nggak bisa pergi keluar sekarang karena sekarang lagi hujan.
Karena
Sampai sekarang kan
hujan.
hujannya masih kan. Oke.
Rain.
Oke,
Is
we
We were not be able to.
We were able to.
We were.
Bentar. Last Sunday lah, last Sunday
last, but
berarti
we were not
not
Were
be able
not
to
Were
ya.
not
be
be
able to
able
visit grandma last Sunday
Grandma last
because
Sunday because
she
She was.
was
she was
was.
ill. Yes.
she was
Fortunately she.
Will,
Nah,
was
fortunately she. Nah, ini
Yes.
ceritanya kalian harus pahami ini
Better.
konteksnya ya. Ini konteks sekarang berarti nih.
Ya, ya.
we will be better.
She is.
she
right?
is
She is.
Better.
is
Better.
better.
We
So
Are.
we are able
Able.
are
Able.
able
her today.
to visit
we
today.
are
Karena di sini udah ngomong. Jadi dalam satu kalimat itu guys, bisa aja dia tiba-tiba pakai past tense, terus tiba-tiba dia pakai verb satu lagi, pakai
Iya.
present, tiba-tiba dia balik lagi ke past tense lagi, itu sangat-sangat mungkin terjadi ya. Kayak gini-gini
Berarti
nih ya.
we-nya pakai we are able, we are be ya. We are be ya.
We are able to.
we are able to
We are able to itu sebenarnya sama kayak can guys.
Ya.
ya
We
able to
can,
bisa
kalian boleh kok pakai we can visit her today. Cuma ini dia pakai seom dari can itu are,
Oh,
is able to be.
bukannya kata
intinya-
kerja itu ya? Able-nya bukan kata
Kata
kerja ya?
lainnya, kata lain dari can. Cuma dia nggak pakai
Jadi-
can di kalimat ini, dia pakainya
Jadi
be able.
B-nya ilangin. Jadi we are
Sinonim,
able
sinonim, sinonim.
Ya, sinonim, yes, betul banget. Sinonim ya. Jadi be able to itu sinonim
Iya.
dari can. Cuma kalau misalkan be-nya ini kita harus ganti sesuai subjeknya. Kalau
Pakai
subjeknya we
are.
berarti are
Hmm.
able to. Kalau subjeknya I berarti I am able to.
Nah, ini
Kalau
ini
subjeknya she was able to,
So,
gitu ya.
we
She
are-
was able to.
we are be able. No. We are
No,
be
no,
able.
pakai able aja. Kenapa?
Able
Karena
aja.
be-nya udah diganti pakai are ini. Ini maksudnya to be ya, guys.
ya
Hmm.
Iya,
Oh,
itu
gitu.
to be juga.
To be ini. Jadi ini diganti si
to
be
be
dalam kurung
diganti
ini.
Mm-mm.
Harus
Pakai
diganti. Jadi be-nya ini maksudnya dia bukan disuruh bilang be, tapi be-nya ini kamu ganti menjadi to be apa yang pas dengan si subjek tadi. Karena subjeknya we, jadi to be-nya harus yang are. Kalau nanti subjeknya kamu
are-
ganti jadi
so-
she, ya berarti nanti di sini to
so-
be-nya is.
So the correct sentence is we are able to, ya.
Ya, jadinya we
Oke.
are able to visit her today.
Yes. Oke.
Lanjut. Nomor 4. Some
Empat.
years ago, a famous actor
visited
Visited.
Yeah.
visited my
my
hometown
hometown to
to
shoot
shoot
some
some
scenes on a
scenes
film.
in-
Everybody
Was.
everybody
was curious.
was curious,
Was
ya.
serious.
And
was
And when?
And yes,
And
when
to the
to
area
the area to
to
see
see
him,
him.
but
to
he,
him.
but
Did not
he
yeah,
did not
not
give
any
give
any
any
autography.
autograph. Tapi dia nggak mau kasih.
Nggak ngasih dia, pelit
Sombong
dia.
banget dia ya.
give a autograph
Sombong banget nih artis. Oke.
Ya,
Nah sekarang nomor 5. My brother always apa
Helps.
guys?
helps.
Yes.
pakai
Helps.
s
Kok pakai
Helps.
helps? Karena dia pakai always.
Karena
Always.
iya,
Oh,
sama my
so-
brother ya.
Always
Kenapa pakai
adalah
S?
penentu bahwa kita harus menggunakan present
Present.
tense ya.
Present tense.
With my
Helps.
children. Sometimes he
He
Looks
looks often
after them when
After
I'm at
them when
work.
I'm
he looks after
loves
looks after them.
children,
Looks after.
but he
children, but
don't
But
Looks
he
pakai
he
S,
didn't
pakai S.
have
Didn't
Pakai
have.
S, looks after.
Iya harus pakai s bro. Soalnya kan ini
Looks
he
after them.
looks after them.
Yeah, looks after them.
But he ini apa nih? But he
he does
Yeah.
not have.
No.
he
Don't have ya.
Tuh.
Have.
Doesn't
no.
dong.
Doesn't.
Oh, sorry, he doesn't. I mean,
Does not
Loves,
have
loves.
any of his own. He bla bla bla.
He loves.
Nah,
He
for
loves.
many years nih. Many years nih maksudnya gini loh. Dia ini kan
Mana
punya
no?
pacar. Ya.
Uh-huh.
Beberapa tahun lalu, tapi kan mereka putus. Berarti kan ini udah putus ceritanya. Berarti kan punya pacarnya udah yang lalu nih ya.
Yang lalu.
Oh, yang mana?
Berarti di sini
he wasn't.
he had
Oh,
He
had.
had a girlfriend
a
for
girlfriend for
many
many
years.
years, but they broke up last summer because she
Yes.
Was
She
not.
has no.
Did not want.
not one. She
Did
did
not
not
She did.
want
Does not.
children.
Does not want.
At the moment itu sekarang. Berarti ini balik ke
Yeah.
present lagi ya.
Dates.
He
He dates
Dates.
but who knows?
Other
Dates.
other girl, but
Who
who knows?
knows?
Who wants to date right now?
Gimana Bro Surya?
Pintar.
Mampus gue bales. Bercanda guys, jangan masukin ke hati ya.
It's interesting.
Oke.
Oke.
Selek nih. Oke guys, jadi ini adalah your practice di breakout room. Nah, coba dilihat ya. Make 5 pertanyaan. Bentar.
Simple past.
Buat 5 pertanyaan dengan menggunakan simple past. Berarti pertanyaannya kalian bisa menggunakan yang tadi itu guys, 5W1H. Ya. Jadi kalian tentuin aja nih topiknya, pengen nanya topik apa nih. Misalnya kamu pengen nanya topik apa nih ke Bro Surya. Misalnya tanya ke Bro Surya tentang healthy lifestyle misalnya. Ya udah, misalnya kalian udah setuju, oke kita ngomongin ini gitu. Terus kamu akan membuat pertanyaan, beberapa pertanyaan yang kamu buat sendiri pertanyaannya. Terus pertanyaannya itu bisa kalian pakai 5W1H tadi ya. Yang tadi kita bahas di awal, 5W1H ya kan, ditambah did, terus ditambah apa lagi guys? Subjek, terus verb. Yes. Nah, kalian boleh menggunakan memberikan pertanyaan dengan 5W1H. Boleh juga kok kalau mau yang nggak pakai 5W1H. Ya, misalnya kayak pertanyaan yang simpel biasa tadi, misalnya kayak were you a doctor atau apa-apa gitu ya. Boleh yang enggak 5W1H tapi boleh juga yang pakai 5W1H. Terserah, tergantung kalian mau buat pertanyaan seperti apa. Bebas ini mah, kalian bebas berkreasi. Kamu bebas nanya tentang apapun, topik apapun ya. Kalian bikin sendiri ya pertanyaannya. Jadi nanti temannya bales, jawabin. Setelah itu kalian juga harus dapat pertanyaan juga ya. Jadi misalnya nanti di room itu ada 4 orang. Berarti nanti misalnya sister siapa nih? Sister Laili nih. Sister Laili ngasih pertanyaan nih, misalnya ke Bro Surya. Bro Surya nanti gantian gitu. Kasih pertanyaan lagi. Kalau waktunya cukup, boleh 5. Kalau waktunya nggak cukup, mungkin 3 cukup. Nggak usah 5 juga sih sebenarnya. Ya, yang secukup waktunya aja.
So we have to mix a topic ya?
Iya dong, topiknya terserah kalian aja. Maunya topik apa?
Dipilih
Misalnya kayak,
dulu ya, dipilih dulu.
iya dipilih dulu. Bebas, aku bebaskan ke teman-teman aja. Mau topiknya tentang apa?
Okay.
Ya, misalnya aku lagi pengen bahas tentang education nih gitu. Oh, dulu kamu sekolah di mana? Kan bisa ya ditanya-tanya kayak gitu. Oke. So, are you guys ready?
Ya.
Ready.
Ready. Kita langsung masuk aja ya biar nanti banyak waktu. Nanti aku kasih additional time kok.
My topic about books. My topic is about books.
Sis Nelly is the help.
Halo Nakoda.
Our group more than 2 topic.
Yeah.
Movie,
My topic
road,
books.
and so on.
Our topic.
What's your topic, bro?
Food.
What's the topic, bro?
Our topic is food.
Talking about food.
Your group is ready.
My friend in my group ever read Freddy S book.
Hah? PDS.
Yes.
BTS.
Mr.
No,
Masri.
Beatles.
Yes,
Masri.
because
Your group
Hello.
is lazy. Are lazy.
Why?
Hello.
Sis,
Why?
there is an audience that is silent. Everyday silent.
Oh iya, tadi sistem itu pindahin
We
ya,
have-
karena grupnya silent
My
banget.
group we have
Yeah.
just
Itu
talked.
Puji selalu
My
silent.
group we
I know,
have
I don't
just
know why.
talked about food.
Your group as winner, Mr. Masri.
Lilis, you
Ah.
have,
Tapi
you have
tapi
to
yang ngomong
the
itu orang-orang
leader.
yang terus sih kayaknya.
Sis Lilis,
Maksudnya
Sis
yang
Lilis.
ribut
Why?
itu
Mungkin-
orang-orang yang sama.
Mungkin lagi sariawan, Sis Lilis.
Enggak sis, yang suka ngomong tuh orang-orang yang biasa ngomong juga kayaknya.
Heeh. Kayaknya udah kenal gitu ya, kayak kita gitu.
Dari kemarin nggak ngomong di room yang kemarin juga nggak ngomong dia. Tadi
Maybe
kan
maybe you
Hah?
can choose you can
Sis
choose
Lilis.
one leader
Sis
to
Lilis, they
Tadi bertiga tadi.
like to hear your voice.
terus akhirnya saya berdua ya karena kan bermasalah satu voice-nya bermasalah. Terus akhirnya saya berdua. Nah, saya takut jangan-jangan dia setan. Terus saya keluar. Habisnya
Oh my God. Sis Lilis.
sudah tiga kali join sama dia dan dia nggak pernah ngomong. Nah, saya takut.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh, yang Sis Lilis kemarin pernah bahas itu.
Busy, just listen.
Bentar, orangnya mana ini? Ntar ada orangnya lagi. Nggak ada.
No problem.
So many
Jadi
people
nggak
is out
dengar.
now. So run
Sis
out now.
Lilis,
So
they
many
love
people
your
run out.
hear your voice.
Ah,
He is a secret lover of you.
Oh my God.
Secret admirer.
Fun conversation ya di dalam sana ya.
Sudah mulai
Secret
pintar ini
admirer
Mr.
ya,
Surya ini.
bro. Secret admirer ya.
Bro Surya,
Yes, Pak.
I'm afraid you were talking nothing because I think you want to date to someone.
No.
No, I was silent in breakout room, Pak. I always silent. Respect to all in my
I don't
group,
believe
Pak.
if you always silent, bro.
no, yeah. Don't believe.
Kasihan Bro Surya, jangan digituin, Pak.
That's impossible, bro.
I know.
No, it's lie.
That's impossible, bro.
Oh,
He was talking nothing. He was talking nothing.
Yes, yes, Pak.
oh, this next
Kayaknya kalau aku masuk
Bro
bentar,
Didik
aku ketawa terus.
now join
Out of topic ya. Out of topic
Tapi-
ya, bro Masri.
Yeah, tapi must be like that. So
I have question to
we
Tasha.
yeah.
Apa?
Tuh,
Kenapa? Aduh,
tuh.
Tasya, Bro Surya has a question for you.
Silence.
Apa, bro?
Why the first two? Why go? First two of go is when?
Wah, gimana?
Why first two of go is when?
Kenapa itu gitu?
Kenapa
Why
go?
never
Waktunya when?
Go when?
Yang punya bahasa
Gone.
Visited. Gone. Why go?
Bisa
And
jelasin kalau
to
itu
when?
aku bisa jelasin. Jadi itu actually verb itu kan ada dua ya.
Never.
Ada verb yang
Don't even
irregular
close.
verb, ada verb yang regular. Jadi ada dua jenis verb. Kata kerja itu ada dua jenis. Ada kata kerja
Irregular.
regular, kata kerja beraturan atau kata kerja irregular yang tidak beraturan. Nah, kalau
Tidak
kata kerja
beraturan.
regular
Yes,
itu
I
adalah yang bisa
understand.
kalian tambahin ed di belakangnya untuk verb dua dan
Yes,
verb
I
tiga.
understand.
Kalau kata
For
kerja yang
example,
irregular itu adalah
Maybe.
kata kerja bentuk pertama, kedua, ketiganya semuanya beda total, nggak bisa
I know.
Gitu.
For example,
Maybe Bro
eat
Surya
at
have
eaten.
Sis
other
Tasya.
opinion.
At eaten. Why go to when? Eat
Go to
at eaten. Why go and when and gone? Why when?
wait.
Not even close.
How about you? What do you think? What do you think, Bro Surya? Maybe
I don't
you
know, but
Sis
why?
Tasya ada, jangan serius dah. Bro Surya nanyanya.
Bro
Why,
Surya,
aneh dia
must when?
Bro
Go when?
Surya,
Why?
Bro Surya jangan bikin liar atuh Sis Tasya. She knew.
Yeah, for when maybe
biar nggak
won't,
aneh-aneh,
won't,
kasih
when,
susu kuda
won't,
liar
when,
aja.
wanted, maybe won't,
Udah lihat
when,
Mas
wanted,
jadi
maybe.
Mas.
Oh, when,
Are you
bro, when.
just kidding, Bro Surya?
Iya.
Jadi Bro Surya suka bikin orang
Milk
aku udah jelasin dia bener nggak ya saya jelasin.
Bro
Don't
Surya,
be personal.
I
Don't be
follow
personal.
your wife loh in
Okay.
Instagram. Awas
Uh,
loh.
Ih parah banget.
Bro Surya so much with Bro Didi, isn't it? Being silly.
Okay, I'm give up.
Bro Surya kasihan loh istrinya loh. Aduh.
I'm give up.
Ya istrinya Bro Surya kalau tahu kelakuan Bro Surya dikasihnya gimana ya?
No, I'm good boy. I'm good man.
Ya in front of your wife, good man.
Bro Surya, so he's kidding. Many kidding.
Tidak joke.
Oke, ini udah
Oke.
jam 22 lewat 10.
Ya.
10 lewat 10.
Ya.
Oke, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sis.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
See you.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nakoda, bye-bye.